Get acquainted. Common English titles. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video today. We're going to talk about a crucial part of formal greetings in English: understanding common English titles. This is especially important when you're meeting someone for the first time or speaking in formal contexts. So, let's dive into the world of English titles and how to use them. In English, we often use titles before someone's surname or last name as a sign of respect or to indicate a person's job or academic degree. They are commonly used in formal situations, business, and academia. It's important to note that the title you choose to use can convey respect, familiarity, or both. Here are some of the most common English titles and when to use them. Mr. This is used before a man's surname. It's a general title for adults and does not indicate marital status. Example: Mr. Smith. Mrs. This title is used before a married woman's surname. Example: Mrs. Johnson. Miss. This is used for unmarried women. It's becoming less common today, but you might still hear it. Example: Miss Davis. Ms. This is a more modern title and can be used for all women, regardless of their marital status. Example: Ms. Miller. Doctor. This title is used for individuals who have a doctorate degree or for medical doctors. Example: Dr. Peterson. Professor. This title is used for university professors. Example: Professor Robinson. Remember, always capitalize the first letter of a title, and use a period at the end of it if you are using American English. In British English, it's not always necessary to include a period. When you're unsure which title to use, it's often safest to use Mr. for men and Ms. for women. However, if a person has a professional or academic title, it's usually best to use that. It shows respect for their achievement. But remember, always listen to how people introduce themselves and follow their lead. That's all for today on common English titles. I hope this video helps you navigate the world of English formal greetings with more confidence. Remember, using titles correctly is a way of showing respect and being polite. So keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. Until next time, happy learning!